My name is Meerah, and I'm a Lorekeeper in one of Yuggoth's libraries, and today I wanted to talk about the Mi-go from the Lovecraft Mythos. They're first introduced in H.P. Lovecraft's short story The Whisperer in Darkness in 1931. They were pinkish things about 5 feet long, with crustaceous bodies bearing vast pairs of dorsal fins and membranous wings and several sets of articulated limbs, and with a sort of convoluted ellipsoid covered with multitudes of very short antennae where a head would ordinarily be. The Mi-go are alternatively known as the fungi from Yuggoth, the outer ones, the outer beings, the winged ones, the nevermen, the ones from the sky, the Yuggothians, and the abominable snowmen. No idea about that last one. They are an extragalactic species that have colonized numerous worlds, including Yuggoth. They are not actually indigenous to that planet. Several types of Mi-go exist, including winged and wingless variations. Wings do not function on Earth and are used to fly through the ether of outer space. Ether was a pre-Einsteinian concept. Several other space-going species from the Lovecraft Mythos have similar wings, suggesting that they are a standard mode of interplanetary travel for alien races. The Mi-go first established bases on Earth during the Jurassic period, about 100 million years ago, with the purpose of mining rare ore and minerals, and later to research humans. They warred with the Elder Things and eventually settled in the Northern Hemisphere, and have remained there to this day. They are unable to consume anything from Earth, so they cultivate their own fungi as a source of nourishment. Much like the star spawn of Cthulhu, the Mi-go are fundamentally alien in comparison to all life on Earth, their bodies consisting of a form of matter that does not occur naturally here. Due to their alien composition, they do not appear in photography, since the matter that they are made of seems to reflect life differently. When they die, their bodies dissolve within a few hours. They are described as being most like fungi, however their appearance is most like that of a crustacean or an insect. And they also have something akin to chlorophyll. Their blood has been described as a fetid green ichor or green sticky stuff. They tend to communicate by changing the color of their heads. However, sometimes they are actually able to speak human languages. If not naturally, they can modify their bodies to make them able to speak. There's a buzzy undertone sound when they speak, and their voices have been described as quite frightening. They are also capable of telepathy. They're accustomed to the darkness of space, and so they prefer to avoid sunlight. They're most active at night, especially when it is a new moon. This aversion to light is, however, not related to their eyesight, since they're blind, and perceive the world around them with other senses. So we're not really sure why exactly they avoid light. The Mi-go are a technologically advanced race, especially in medical and surgical technology. Body modification and brain extraction are a piece of cake to them. Some of their creations include the shining trapezohedron, the brain cylinders, the bioweb armor, the earthquake mining machine, the electric gun, the mist projector, several magical teleportation gates connecting their outposts, biological automatons, and Godamon. They worship Nyarlathotep, Shub, Groth, and Yogg-Sothoth. Their sense of morality is entirely alien to us, and so humans perceive them as being highly malicious. And that's pretty much it! Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you next time here in the library.